Oh, we're not even at Gabby's house anymore. I was gonna say we're at Gabby's. We're going to McDonald's now.
You're recording.
I am! Alright.
Gabby will feature in her vlog.
We're having a High School Musical marathon. I can't even tell what I'm
Shailene, where are you?
Shailene, where are you? Jasmine, where are you?
Where are you?
Jordan, where are you?
Where
I got the Oreo McFlurry and it looks like period blood. It looks like period.
Honestly, your reaction. Is it good?
Tastes normal.
Emily, this is yours.
Normal.
It tastes like chocolate syrup.
We put food coloring, guys.
Watching the first movie now, and
I never thought about singing.
Hi.
That's for sure.
do your intro.
So you really want to do the comments?
Never mind.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you so stupid? Gosh, this is the third time.
We're hotter and hotter here.
It's leaving today, but I gotta do what's best for me.
You'll be okay. I got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here.
Hello? Hello?
We're going on the
Ow!
McDonald's
Oh
run.
my god.
Only 4
Oh, that my double chin was so in that. Hello. Karylle is over there.
Karylle and Gabby are back.
Karylle and Gabby. No, just Karylle. Gabby's with us.
Just Karylle.
Gabby's with us. Hello.
Hello.
We are going to Sushi Mura. Okay, bye.
She said, yeah, we're going to sushi.
At Ikea now. It's okay, Jasmine. We're getting meatballs
Lunch, guys, though.
and yogurt stuff. I don't know. We're gonna get lost. We're gonna buy furniture.
Oh. Hi, Oza.
Oh my gosh. All of this just for this view of a parking lot. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. It's cute though.
Alright, this is what we've been.
What is this? Cool.
For the...
Don't cry! Can you like take the rose? Hurry up and take it! Just kidding. Arlene,
I know math can be a pain in the bum hole. But come join me for an adventure. Go to the place where you can dance your heart away. Oh my god.
Ooh, look at the second rose!
Okay. But you're probably wondering what's going on. Just follow these clues and you'll find out soon. Go outside where I stand and fly with the wind. The flagpole.
Yeah! Hey, I would not get that!
Oh my gosh.
Fuck my life, this video is forever.
Okay.
Read it!
Where is a good place for reading? Because the library.
The library. Oh my god, Brian!
Thank you. Where's a good place to make food? The food room?
Yep.
Oh,
I thought it was
okay.
I was gonna say calf. See, I would be so bad at money to buy all these roses. I can't even buy like a flower on the ground. Oh my god.
Hey, don't we have the meeting?
Chill, okay? We have a proposal. There's no meeting. I lied. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll go to confession later. I'm sorry.
Wait, there's no meeting?
No, I was lying. I'll confess later. Don't worry. Are you friends with John Park? Oh my god. Look at all the people we picked up. I don't know half of them. Hello. How long are you waiting there for?
Sorry for making you. Thank you. It's okay. Where frisbees fly across the sky, walk up the stairs, and to the field. Is it that way? Okay. Thank you.
Hey. Hey.
Hi, Tia.
On my first rose.
Yeah, it was
I
the.
started crying. Okay.
Hi.
A place where
Ay, puta.
your head to the gym.
Oh!
Yeah.
Look at all the people with us. Hello.
Wait, you want to puke?
Jesus, I'm sweating.
Got a lot of roses.
See, you know, it would be so much cheaper if you just picked that up from the floor. Not you?
You gotta come back to me.
Arlene, come back. Arlene, come back.
That's it.
Okay.
You are such a
I know.
beep, beep,
I know.
beep, 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 beep.
where everyone parks.
Why is it beating so fast? Huh? Why is it beating, huh?
Why is it beating, Arlene? Why is it beating so fast?
No. My phone battery is probably like at 10% now. Oh my god, ball is live! Say hi! 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 What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Brandon.
Are you in grade
What are we
8?
doing? Yes, what are we doing?
We're on a scavenger hunt.
Yeah!
You don't have to come. Oh my god.
It's okay, I was like late.
I'm sorry for my face. You probably are already annoyed of it. But you know, in my wrong fucking parking lot, guys.
Hey, you guys, we're looking at you guys at the same time. Oh my gosh, okay.
Are you guys supposed to be in the parking lot?
Thank you.
Where is a garden near the school?
We gotta go all the way back?
No, no,
Hell
we're
no.
hiding.
Arlene, you're up there. Oh my god,
We're
you can't even
hiding.
see them, but
Brian's like right there.
I quit.
And like we're all hiding in this hut because like we
Quitting right now.
Arlene ran away, and Geraldyn messed up because he was here.
Go back!
Wait.
Arlene, come back! Arlene, come back! Arlene! Hello?
Are they here? Oh my god. Why are they walking down?
Wait, we have to film them walking down.
I'm confused. We have to film them walking down? Huh?
What? Bye! Arlene! Arlene, come back! Run down! Oh shit, I should go this way!
What the heck?
She's supposed to go the wrong
Change of plan.
Arlene went the wrong way. Are you kidding me?
going the other way?
What's happening?
My phone died.
We're running too much now.
Mine.
Brian, why'd you run so much?
I didn't really vlog.
Arlene, why'd you run away? You went the wrong way. Now I'm tired. Arlene, I'm tired. This is for you.
And you ran away, Arlene. Why did you?
Don't do that one, that was bad. That's bad!
Yay!
Brian, kill yourself. I did so much running.
All right, so let's.
Congrats.
I'm sweating.
Thank you so much, guys.
I'm burning up.
I ran out of space.
So everyone's taking cute pictures. So I'm just gonna take a video because taking pictures is mainstream. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Congrats, guys. I'm gonna go inside because I don't want to be 2 shades darker.
That's what senior year is all about. Whether you like it or not, you're done.